Most men past 40 hear the same advice. Lift lighter, protect the joints, slow down before something tears. It sounds responsible, it sounds safe. But when researchers put 300 men over 40 through 16 weeks of genuinely heavy loading and scanned them from the inside, the results pointed the other way. Heavy loading changed 3 separate systems in the body at once, and the joints were not one of the casualties. They were one of the winners. You will know exactly what heavy lifting does inside the body. Here is how the study worked. 300 men, every one of them over the age of 40. None of them elite athletes, ordinary men who trained. Each man was scanned in full before the program. Bone, mineral density, muscle fiber type, and tendon thickness were all measured and recorded. Then came 16 weeks of heavy compound loading. Not machines, not light pump work. Real load, near the limit of what each man could handle. At the end of the 16 weeks, every single one of them was scanned again, and the before and after were laid side by side. The muscle responded first, in the place that matters most. There are 2 broad kinds of muscle fiber, type 1 and type 2. Type 2, the fast, powerful fiber responsible for size and strength, is what shrinks fastest after 40. It withers quietly, and light training barely touches it. But heavy load forces the nervous system to call on those fibers. Over 16 weeks, recruitment in these men climbed from 60% to 90%. The type 2 cross-section grew. The exact fiber that age strips out first was what heavy loading rebuilt. That is not maintenance, that is reversal. Now the part that contradicts the myths. The joints did not break down, they got stronger. Bone is living tissue that responds to demand. Load it, and it lays down more mineral, tendons and ligaments. The connective tissue everyone fears tearing, thickened and stiffened to become more resilient. Loaded through a correct joint angle. Heavy weight drives an adaptation that armors the joint. The thing that actually destroys aging joints is disuse. The third system was hormonal. Heavy compound lifting triggers an acute rise in free testosterone and growth hormone in the hours after the session. Across 16 weeks, the men's resting hormonal profile shifted measurably younger. Higher free testosterone and a stronger overnight growth hormone pulse. Because those same hormones hold muscle fullness and skin quality, the change showed up on the face. They began to look younger while doing it. Build the week around 3 heavy compound lifts, a squat pattern, a hinge, and a heavy press. These recruit the most muscle and bone. Correct joint position is non-negotiable. Brace the spine, control the path, own the weight. Position is what turns heavy load from risk into adaptation. Finally, recover longer than you did at 30. Extend the rest between sessions and the body builds all 3 systems at once without breaking. Your body after 40 does not need protecting from heavy load. It needs it to keep from atrophying, adapt, or decline. The full protocol that built these 3 systems is in the description.